Hello everyone, Sandeep here once again. Today I'm going to explain how to use UIWebView to load single URL like www.google.com, anything in a single line of the code. So I'm just going to create uh, one project, create new project. When you open the Xcode and select the create new project, you need a one controller. You can choose any of single view controller or mm, tabbed app or master detail app or page based app. So right now I don't have any requirement, so I'm just use the single view controller, single view app, uh, sample web app. So I don't require anything. So this tutorial I'm going to create in a Swift. Yeah, I've created. So first I will create the instance, and I will add in a storyboard. I will add UI WebView. So in this we can get UI WebView. So you can see UI WebView. So now it's showing the UI WebView is deprecated, but still I'm use the UI WebView right now. So I will do that. I just remove everything. Give the all constant 000 and give the instance in the controller. You have to tab this one as is edit or right. So just give this instance value WebView, add it, and here you need to write one line of the code, that is serve.webview dot load request, and here you need to write url request in bracket. You need to give url and url type you need to give in string format, so you need to write url and string bracket and write the url path. Any of url you can give here, but I'm going to give http slash www.google.com, and here we have to give as url. Okay, yeah, it looks good. You can see here I have written but this single line of the code. So what is happen if I run the application in a simulator or device? This will not work because of the Apple transport security will be there, so you cannot allow to load any URL HTTP unsecured. So you need to write the one of the code which I will tell you. First I will show the what error it should become when it load the simulator. Yeah, so you can see there is no loading anything, and you can see here no, no is a blank. Yeah, here you got the one error that is called app transport security has blocked a clear text HTTP. Secure load, since it is ensures temporary exception can be configured via your app info.plist. So you can copy and search it where is the app info, or you can it's like in a project you can see here sample WebView app and just open it. You can see in a last info.plist, or you can search it here, so directly you can find it. And when you find, you just click here open as a source code. Yeah, so here I'm going to add description which I already take it from server. Yeah, so you can type it here. I have written the NS app transport security. NS allows attribute load, all attribute load, exception domain, and you have to give your server URL, include the all subdomain, include the all HTTP request, include the specific minimum TLC version. I just added this one as a temporary, but you can add it. And when you see in the property list, you can see in the bottom everything, all attribute loaded exception domain, so it will become like that. So that source code which I have added, I will give in a description. Bottom I give this complete code, so you can copy and paste it. And yeah, everything is fine. Now you can run the application again using this run button. I already run it, so we can see the what will be happen. Yeah, you can see here Google is loaded, and you can see everything is there, and you can see hello and search, so you can see everything is coming and you can play. And this is the complete Google URL, is not native or anything, it will be running, so you can find it and it will be open anything. So this is the loading of this single line of controller. In a web view we can load request, and this will can load. Okay, thank you everyone.